Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted a video on this channel, so I decided to post again. Hopefully I'll be consistent this time. There are two things from this video. First, I'm going to unbox few packages that I received today. And the second thing is I'm going to start posting YouTube videos again. Maybe, hopefully. I'll try my best. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the first package. Let's just open it. Alright. Oh god. Box is a bit messed up, but wow, macam kena tiup dengan angin dia macam ni kan. The pouch for the microphone, all the cables. So yeah, so this is what's in the box. So now that I already pasang the microphone on this camera, I hope it sounds better from the last clip. Let's move on to the second package. This is the reason I'm doing this unboxing video. Ta-da! Bro, it's kind of big. Oh, you can see me. This is the only reason why I'm doing a unboxing video. Wait. Oh, God. Ta-da! Ooh. Wait, that's too. Oh, okay. Wow. Oops. Come on. Oh dear God. Right, so now that I'm done with the unboxing, so I'm just going to set up my Mac Mini over there. I have to move my office laptop to this side a bit, and I'm going to connect my Mac Mini to this Samsung 32-inch 4K UHD, I think. So yeah, that's it. I'm done. Right, so now that I have my Mac Mini and my microphone for this camera, let's just hope I'll be more consistent, right? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which I'm not sure when yet, but yep. see you when I see you. Peace.